flower?
Because the flower of, when I was researching where the platonic solids came from, this is the oldest version that I got from all of antiquity. It came back to them.
Well, there are no platonic solids because you're in dimension 2, except for what you built, which is the thing above in black.
But what they did years ago, 6,000 years ago, was draw straight lines where the circles overlapped. And I thought, in what I was reasoning with regard to all energy being expressed in motion, all motion being expressed in waves, all waves being curved, and that there were no straight lines in the universe. So I was like,
there's several errors in what you just said. If I stop there, we'll get off track again.
Yeah, but you should correct those errors while we're there.
Okay. It is not true that all energy is expressed in motion.
What energy is not expressed in motion?
Potential energy is not expressed in motion. If I have a weight on a spring, which is sort of the quintessential, people don't know this, but most of physics comes out of the system represented by a weight on a spring.
Mm-hmm.
So the simple harmonic oscillator is the heart of all physics, even the most theoretical physics. It's a very, very strange thing, Hooke's law. When that weight is going up and down, if the spring is frictionless, energy is conserved. Now, at the top and at the bottom, that weight is not moving because all of the energy is in the potential of the spring.
It's in the stress of the crystallization that has occurred within that system.
And then you will say something like,
but that energy is still being held together. There is still energy there, and it's still moving at a microscopic level. It's still spinning centripetal.
So we have to get into what you will make a point, for example.
But is that true? What he's saying, that it's still in motion? It's just in motion in a lower frequency?
No. There's nothing moving.
Let me show you what goes wrong in the interaction.
Okay.
Terrence says, show me in nature a single straight line. Okay. And I liked your point about Euclidean women. That was awesome.
that was from Alan Watts.
All right. So if I show this to Terrence, because I just bought this from the end of the 7th ray,
a lot of straight lines.
A lot of straight lines. Now, Terrence is going to say...
Or you would think is a straight line.
But
exactly. When you look at it under an electron microscope, you're going to see the crystalline structure. So again, this configuration is an illusion.
You're just saying it's not perfect.
It's an optical illusion because crystals form in symmetrical...
Yeah, very often.
But a lot of straight lines.
A lot of straight lines.
Perceived straight lines, but
but every atom is filled with empty space. I mean, we could take this down to there is no matter.
That is,
we could get crazy.
So we're
you know what I'm saying?
We're about to.
Well, you've seen.